and stuff, any stupid stuff, just follow these steps. First, you're going to do a step. Right. Here. And if you go here, you go even more step. And if you want to do step around the road, like this. Now come back here and I'll show you what other one. With a normal twist. It's really easy. Watch. See? Doesn't it look easy? And it is. And watch the straight lined one as well. YouTube, I mean. Sorry, just a mistake. I have to do it again.
Lead 'em. And